Well, you really expected me to wear a Santa hat and beard? Honestly.
This is quality caravan vlogging.
Welcome to the vlog. Merry Christmas. This damn camera, is it in focus? Yes. Merry Christmas. Just a short vlog. Now, I have to say, I say that on almost every vlog that I make, and obviously I edit it out. It's usually, I planned for it to, this vlog I thought it'd be about 5 minutes. This is the third time I've recorded it, and I was up to past 20 minutes in the last one, but it was rubbish. Yes, I do have quality control. So a couple of things. Firstly, I wanted to wish everybody, viewers, subscribers, visitors to the website, people that have bought merchandise, stickers, just thank you for your support in the last 12 months. I want to go through a few stats. If you're not interested in my YouTube stats, then just fast forward a bit and there'll be sure to be some other uninteresting stuff that you'll be uninterested in. Does that work? Holy crap. I have to say, I'll get onto this in a minute, but that's got a problem with my mood at the moment. It's so difficult to pick myself up and do these vlogs. I've just been bogged down with so much negativity. It's ridiculous. Anyway, hopefully things will improve throughout the vlog, and by the end of it, I'll be full of Christmas cheer. You never know. Stranger things have happened. What I've done, I've compared stats with last year just to see if I'm improving. Am I improving? No. Not according to stats, I'm not. However, there are some mitigating circumstances or excuses I can make for why I haven't done quite as well as last year as I did this year as I have last year. Total views for the year, 460,000. 460,000 thank yous there. That's actually down 24% on last year. Now, the reason for that is people are more interested in caravans being stolen than cars, obviously. Like last year the caravan was stolen, this year the car was stolen. Now there will be cynics out there who think I've done this on purpose. I definitely have not, and it's very stressful and I wouldn't want to go through it again, even for the extra views and subs you get. Now at the beginning of the year I thought to myself I will try to release a vlog every week. So I have released 52 vlogs, this being the 52nd one, although hold the line, caller. Oh, it's a water company. We're aware there've been a burst pipe in your area. Great. That's improved my mood no end. So yeah, so I was going to do 52 vlogs, so one a year. So I have done 52, one a year, one a week. So I have done 52. Fantastic, I reached that goal. Subs are down on last year quite a lot, so 1,700 subs this year, which is great, thank you for your support. But last year 3,200. Now I think about 1,000 of those were on the back of me crashing the caravan or somebody crashing into the caravan. I'm not going to repeat that every year. I won't share earnings. It's just a ridiculously low figure that you wonder why I still do it. I think looking at what I earn in a year on YouTube, I would earn that in 2 weeks, my normal job. So, you know, there you go. That's put it into perspective, I suppose. It's for the love rather than for the profit. Although, there's no problem. I don't have a problem with anybody making a profit out of YouTube. If I could, I would. So there you go. There's the stats. Yeah, I just thought it's quite interesting to see that you only need a couple of really good vlogs to really boost your numbers. I noticed, I don't know if you watch Posh Cat Camping's Hi Caravan Sue, if you're watching, Merry Christmas. I just, because I do analyse other vloggers, as you can imagine, just to gauge where you are. But, I mean, they got I can't remember if it was this year or last year, but they got their new motorhome Smurf. But that Smurf vlog has had 1 million views. I mean, that's just what, I mean, fantastic. I mean, what an achievement that is. 1 million views on one vlog. If only you could do that on every vlog. Well, not you, Trev, I mean all of us. So plans for this year, pretty quiet Christmas really for us. If you do get away a Christmas Day. If you could cook in a Christmas Day dinner, why not share it on the Facebook page? That'd be fantastic. Anyone, Christmas Day dinner in the caravan. Doesn't have to be on Christmas Day, just a Christmas dinner. Post a photo on the Facebook group down here. So next year, plans for next year. So I think I might have said last vlog that we're thinking of Scotland next year. But I did look at the price of the ferries yesterday. Oh no, a weekend anyway. And maybe they've come down a little bit. Maybe they're nearer to sort of 500 than they were 600, maybe even slightly less. Next year we're getting EMP levelling fitted in January from MG Caravans, as I've mentioned a few times. Now, as I've also mentioned a few times, I just want to be transparent about this kind of stuff. Now, I'm buying it as a caravaner. No discounts, no favours, no nothing. It's just, I've ordered it, I'm paying for it, they're fitting it. I'll do like a review and how to use it on it in the new year. And at the same time, I think maybe I mentioned last vlog that I'm getting a Wi-Fi solution fitted, so an antenna fitted to the roof. At the moment, I've got like an antenna that's suckered onto the side for Wi-Fi, and then another antenna that does the like mobile 4G signal, and using a Netgear router and another device, can't remember, SolarWise maybe, Wi-Fi router. So that's two separate solutions, which is a bit messy. Now, my plans for the next 12 months is that this time next year I'll be quite near to 60. I know it's hard to believe, right? So my plan was always to retire at 60. Now, I might have mentioned the reasons for that before. Now, I've had a few health scares over the years. Brother also, I've had like, members of the family die younger than they should have, so, and also friends and friends, family, it just gets you thinking, if at all possible, I want to retire early. I don't want to wait till I'm 67 or I get a pension. I've been reasonably sensible and been pumping money into a private pension where I can. Now, that pension pot is nowhere near as big as I'd like it to be, but at some point you have to make the choice that you're either going to work till you're 67 or finish a bit earlier and just deal with what you've got, just work with what you've got money-wise. So obviously what I'm hoping is that when all my ducks line up and I retire, I'll be able to do more vlogs, so therefore more views equals more income. That's part of the plan. I mean, I've seen like people like Bob Earnshaw, hats off to him and Jenny. I mean, they do, they work hard on the vlogs, and it is a lot of work. You're not basically on holiday all the time. There's a lot of work to do. Editing vlogs takes time, but views do eventually equal pound notes. So it's kind of like another job, really, although you're going away in your motorhome caravan, whatever. So there's a bit of a long-term plan. Whether or not, who knows? But you've got to try, right? You've got to try these things. So I'll talk about the Wi-Fi solution we've selected and why, when it's fitted, which will be just next month. I think I'm hoping it's supposed to be January the 11th. So soon after that, I'll be able to do something on both the EMP levelling and the Wi-Fi solution that we picked and why. Thanks again, Jose, for the heads up on something that I had not considered before. You might remember in the last vlog I mentioned about a Dashcam. It was being fitted on Wednesday. Well, here's the Dashcam. It's the Thinkware U1000 purchased myself. This is the front one, there's a rear one as well. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why isn't it in the car? Good question. Now, if you don't want to hear me moaning, have a good Christmas and see you in the new year, no doubt. However, if you just want to know how I've got on with this and what I've got to say about racshop.com, so that's the Dashcam. I ordered it on the 28th of November. And when I went online, it gives you a date that it will be fitted. And it was this 6th of December. Oh, fantastic. I thought I want it done before Christmas. I don't know why I want it done before Christmas. I just did. So ordered it. Email comes through. Blah, blah, blah. So somebody then rang me. It'd be fitted on the 14th. Well, that's a bit different from the 6th. Oh, yeah, that's not an exact date, blah, blah. Maybe it said that on the, I don't know. I just ordered it and So that, I bet you know what? Do you know when you go through a process of ordering something and there's a little thing inside your head that's got like saying to you, I don't know, alarm bells are ringing. I'm thinking RAC, big company. I'm not ordering it from Jim's Dashcams, although to be honest, I wish I had. So when they rang me to arrange the fitting date, they said, "Oh, hold the line." They rang me. I was on the phone to them. Hold the line. I'll ring the engineer now, and just to confirm the dates. So I'm holding music. Da, 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 da. I get an alert on my phone to say like there's another incoming call. That's weird. Incoming call. Oh, it's annoying. But anyway, I wait. Then phone goes dead. Then I get a notification that I've got a voicemail. Oh, I'll quick listen before they're going to ring back. Hopefully, so ring the voicemail. It's the same woman who I'm talking to. Talk to me as if I'm the engineer, saying, "Oh, just come back. Can you tell me if you're available on the blah 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 date?" Put the phone down from there. The phone rings again. It's a woman again. "Oh, sorry, we seem to have got disconnected. Blah blah." She said, "I've left a message with the engineer, and as soon as he comes back to me, I'll get back to you." I said, "No, you didn't leave a message with the engineer." "Well, I can assure you I did." "No, stop. You left a message on my phone. You rang my number instead of the engineer." "Oh no, I didn't. It must have been some technical glitch." I thought, why not just admit you've made a mistake? It's fine. I don't care. But that to make up some thing that there's some sort of, "Oh no, it must have been cross wires, blah blah." They ring back 14th of December. Guy turned up Wednesday. They sent me the dash cam, and as I said, these wires, as you can see, these wires are not in the car. Close up. Engineer comes, have a chat with him, make him a coffee, goes out there, start the car, get it warmed up for him. About 15 minutes later, knock on the door. "Oh, they've sent you the wrong cables. There should be bigger ones, fatter. These are low profile ones, I think." There's about 4 different types. Why are there 4 different types? I have no idea. Why can't manufacturers just use the same fuse boxes? I just rung the office, they're going to sort it out, blah blah. We don't carry them in our van, so I can't fit it. They'll be in touch. I mean, this guy wasn't an RAC guy, it wasn't in an RAC van or anything, so I'm assuming that they farm it out to third-party companies in a local area to fit. I don't know. I don't care either, to be honest. So I think, you know what? If this is the case, how are the RAC? I don't know who these people are. I can't ring them. I rang the RAC. Average wait 12 minutes. Oh, that's okay. I'll wait 12 minutes. A half hour later, I have to hang up because I've got a meeting. So I hang up, ring back later. Average call time 12 minutes. Wait again. 1 hour later, get literally on the hour, phone goes dead. Jesus Christ. So apologies if you follow me on Twitter, Caravan Vlogger, because I had a bit of a moan at RAC. Just trying to get someone to ring me. Because at that point, I wanted to cancel it and get a refund. I'd had enough. Halfords don't fit these ThinkWare cameras. They do Blackview, I think, which are equally as good, pretty just about the same price rate. I thought, you know what, I'm just going to go to Halfords. At least I can go to the shop if I have to, which is like 20 minutes away. I go on Twitter, moan. "Oh yeah, send us the details, yada yada. Oh yeah, email inquiries. So email inquiries Thursday or Friday, and nothing. Not heard anything. Monday now, not even an acknowledgement. Well, actually, I had an automatic acknowledgement, but no one's rung me. Monday morning now. So I don't know what's going on with it. I've no idea. So I don't recommend RAC shop, unfortunately. Because the first time I got my last dash cam fitted, they were great, no problems at all. 4 years ago. I suppose it's COVID, Ukraine, energy prices. It's one of those things, right? Supply chain, can't get hold of. I mean, I've seen these on Amazon, right? They're about £2. I mean, also the engineer, he's come out from wherever he's come from, spent half hour here, and he's had to then go. Look, I've gone on long enough today. Thanks very much for watching. I do hope, from Mandy and myself, I hope you have a great Christmas and a great New Year. I'll carry on in the New Year with weekly vlogs, hopefully, and I'll try and get my head into a much more positive frame of mind. See you in the next one. Someone at the front door.
This is quality Caravan vlogging.
Do you know, sometimes, about thumbnails, like the picture you see before you click on the thing, you get the thing like, My caravan's been stolen. Actually, I don't know if you've noticed this, but I've noticed like vloggers come and go in the caravan and motorhome world, and there seems to be a real influx earlier in the year, and a lot of them have gone quiet. Maybe they can't handle the competition from the caravan vlogger. Actually, I'm watching a lot of other vloggers. I mean, I don't know if you watch Caravan Addies, but they're smashing it on YouTube. Like, I'm getting 1,500 views, and they're getting 6,000 views a week. It's only because they won the lottery and bought that bloody elegance, isn't it? Sorry, they'll kill me for saying that. I will edit that out.